search for clear, radiant, and healthy skin often leads us down aisles filled with expensive serums, chemical exfoliants, and complex formulations. However, some of the most profound skincare solutions are rooted in ancient traditions and natural ingredients found right in our homes. A DIY face pack combining neem, rice flour, and homemade aloe vera gel is a powerful, multi-action treatment. This particular combination works synergistically to help reduce acne breakouts, calm angry redness, and gently exfoliate dead skin cells. By understanding the unique properties of each ingredient and following a precise preparation method, you can transform your complexion naturally. The power of the ingredients. Neem, often referred to as the village pharmacy in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, is an absolute powerhouse for problematic skin. Its primary function in this face pack is acting as a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. Neem contains active compounds like nimbidin and nimbin, which specifically target the P. acnes bacteria responsible for painful, inflamed cystic breakouts. By neutralizing these bacteria, neem prevents future blemishes from forming. Additionally, neem is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin barrier from environmental stressors and free radical damage. Whether you use finely milled organic neem powder or a freshly crushed paste made from vibrant green leaves, this botanical ingredient provides unparalleled purification for congested pores. Rice flour has been a celebrated beauty secret in Asian skincare regimens for centuries, famously utilized by Japanese geishas to achieve a flawless, porcelain-like complexion. In this DIY face mask, rice flour serves a dual purpose. First, it acts as a very mild physical exfoliant. Unlike harsh walnut scrubs that can cause microscopic tears in the dermis, finely milled rice flour gently buffs away the top layer of dead skin cells without causing trauma. Second, rice flour is highly absorbent, meaning it acts like a sponge to soak up excess sebum and oil from deep within the pores. Furthermore, it contains ferulic acid and allantoin, which naturally soothe the skin and promote a brighter, more even skin tone. The final pillar of this triad is pure, homemade aloe vera gel.
नीम
Aloe
का
vera
पत्ता
is
अगर आपको
universally
10,000
beloved for
रुपए
its
किलो भी
immense
मिले तो भी
hydrating
इसे
and
खरीद लेना,
soothing
क्योंकि अगर इसे
capabilities.
हमारे
It
जैसे
acts
लगाओगे
as
तो
the
आप भी
perfect
ऐसे ही
binding
चमकने
agent for
लगोगे।
the
तो
dry
इसके लिए
powders,
थोड़ी सी नीम की
transforming
पत्तियां
them
घर
into
की
a
एलोवेरा और
luxurious,
एक चम्मच चावल
spreadable
का आटा
paste.
डालकर उसे अच्छे
Beyond
से
its
पीस लो
structural
और
role in
उसमें
the
एक चम्मच
recipe,
मुल्तानी मिट्टी
aloe
और
vera
थोड़ा
is
सा पानी
packed with
डालकर उसे मिक्स कर लो। अब
mucopolysaccharides,
जैसे ही इसे
which
अपने
help
फेस
bind
पर
moisture
लगाकर
to the
15
skin,
मिनट बाद
ensuring
धोओगे
the
ना तो आपका भी
exfoliating
चेहरा
and
ऐसे
purifying
चमकने लगेगा
ingredients
और तो
do
और
not
आपके
compromise the
पिंपल्स और
skin's
काले धब्बे
natural lipid
चुटकियों में दूर हो
barrier.
जाएंगे। ये
Aloe
वीडियो
is naturally rich in vitamins A, C, and E, alongside calming enzymes that drastically reduce the redness and painful inflammation often associated with active acne lesions. Using fresh gel directly from the plant guarantees maximum potency without artificial preservatives. Mastering the preparation method. Preparation is just as vital as the ingredients themselves. The most crucial step begins with the aloe vera leaf. When you cut a fresh leaf from the plant, you will notice a yellowish sap oozing from the base. This sap, known as aloin, is a latex-like substance that can be highly irritating to the skin and cause contact dermatitis. To ensure safety, stand the cut leaf upright in a glass of water for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow all the yellow aloin to drain out completely. Once drained, thoroughly wash the leaf. Slice off the spiky edges and carefully fillet the green outer skin to reveal the clear, gelatinous center. To create the perfect consistency, precise measurements are recommended. You will need exactly 1 tablespoon of your freshly extracted, clear aloe vera gel. Place this into a pristine, sanitized glass or ceramic bowl. Add exactly 1 tablespoon of finely milled white rice flour to the gel. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of pure organic neem powder, or if you prefer a fresher approach, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground neem leaf paste. Using a small wooden spoon or a clean fan brush, begin to fold the ingredients together. Mix them vigorously until the gel breaks down and binds with the powders, resulting in a smooth, evenly distributed, and highly spreadable paste free of any dry, powdery lumps. Application and removal ritual. Before applying the mask, preparation of your canvas is essential. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle, sulfate-free face wash to remove surface debris, makeup, and daily pollution. For enhanced absorption, You may briefly steam your face for 2 minutes to soften the sebum in your pores. Using clean fingers or a soft masking brush, apply an even, opaque layer of the freshly mixed paste across your entire face, paying special attention to acne-prone zones like the jawline, chin, and forehead. It is absolutely critical to avoid the delicate, thin skin immediately surrounding your eyes and your lips. Once the mask is applied,